Re-orchestrating Babies R Us. In 1948, Charles Lazarus started a baby furniture store in Washington, D.C. The company, Toys R Us, expanded and became a worldwide toy store with an internationally recognized name. A subdivision, Babies R Us, was founded in 1996. With its first store set in Westbrook, New York, Babies R Us grew to become a chain of over 260 stores around the United States. The R Us empire grew until 2013, when the IPO market stalled due to the rise in e-commerce. Thereafter, the R Us empire slid into a downward spiral until filing for bankruptcy in 2018 with plans to close 182 stores. The company, which once trailblazed and led the toy industry, was overtaken by large retailers. Its failure to innovate effectively forced the company to end a dynasty of children's products. So what can be done? The reorchestration of Babies R Us will first require separating Toys and Babies R Us and narrowing down on the company's egocentric attributes. Next, restructuring and innovating in a way which fits the current and future context of baby products is required in order to save the company. The egocentric company failed to see how consumers were changing their behaviors and did not react at the speed in which consumer behavior was changing. Now, consumers or parents want the ease of buying products online and connecting with other consumers, and in this case, parents in an online setting. The failure to adapt has led to its current bankruptcy status, which can be reversed for Babies R Us through reorchestration. This could turn the company from an unprofitable, egocentric company to a new allocentric version of itself. To orchestrate and become allocentric, the company needs to create a network of pre-established nodes that will connect it to consumers in a new way. There are a few steps which we need to take in order to revitalize the company. Considering macroeconomic factors, Utah currently has the highest birth rate of 17.6 births per 1,000 people. This is significantly higher than the rest of the United States, and thus is set to become the New York or the founding city for the reorchestrated company. While baby products will always be necessary, the industry has become technologically oriented, positioning other companies at a greater advantage. This new independent company needs to work on this, creating not only an online presence, but a community. A few principles can be followed in order to ensure the success of revitalizing this company. Firstly, the company needs to become asset light. Separating Toys R Us, partnering with other companies, and creating an online and in-store community are 3 actions which can be taken. They then can create a network of sophisticated nodes. These nodes will be strategic partners that will help connect customers and partner companies to Babies R Us. Examples include expecting parents, advisors to answer frequently asked questions, the developers that will create a resale app, and the social network that will be created. And finally, to ensure it will be successful, regional testing should be carried out in Utah. The improvements and expansion of the newly developed business can be also carried out. So what is this new platform business design? Firstly, funding is needed to help the company bounce back from its current position. As it is already an established brand name, partnering with other large companies within the field, such as Johnson & Johnson, can help stabilize the company financially. As mentioned before, a company needs to be created, which should predominantly be online. Websites, applications, and chat groups should all be created to create an easy and accessible online community. Expanding this community to local partners can also help reestablish consumer relations. The company should also create a resale program where customers can resell their items to other parents or return them for store credit. All of this will help and create a new and allocentric Babies R Us. Connecting parents to products, events, and creating a support system and a community is a vital aspect of renewing this store. Creating a renewable marketplace with the ability to resell secondhand products adds to the communal aspect of the newly orchestrated company, as well as differentiates the company from other baby product stores. Whilst the online aspect is more important than ever, stores need to be redesigned to fit the new principles of the company. Creating multi-purpose rooms that cater to parents can include classes or mother groups to add to the communal promotion of this company. Additional membership fees can be added to gain full access to the new Babies R Us community and improve customer relations. Babies R Us needs to move away from its egocentric and old structure under Toys R Us and create an online and physical community for new parents surrounding baby products. The experience of the customer is now more important than ever. By reorchestrating the company in such a way, it is possible for the company not only to be revitalized, but to be successful within the current and future context.